Alright, so let's go through the second part. Okay, so for the first part, we are asked to find the first four terms, right? So of course, I expanded for the first four term. I'll get 64 plus 192x plus 240x squared plus 160x cubed plus dot dot dot. So for the plus dot dot dot, we must write because due to the presentation thing. Then they tell us that hence obtain the coefficient of x squared, right, in the expansion of this thing. So you can see that there's a three term, and normally we do not expand three term one. So that's where we need to use the hence part. So how do we do this? Very simple. First thing, right, we just need to make this thing to be in terms of x. So you can see everything is the same, right? So these two, then this plus, this also plus. So I can just let this thing here be the so-called x. So of course I simply just submit. So for example, right, I only want the x squared term. So meaning that for 64, the first term I don't need. So I just want to use the 192x, right? So 192x, right? So I just sub the x to be x minus x squared. Then of course don't forget there's one more 240x squared because this will also give me an x squared term plus 240, then after that x minus x squared bracket to the power of 2. So of course last but not least, right, 160x cubed. So do I need to sub in the x cubed? Don't need, because when I sub in, right, I will get x cubed and of course higher order power. So this one don't need. So okay, I just simply do the first term first. So 192, right? So 192x, I don't want 192x, I only want 192 times negative x squared. So I will get negative 192x squared. Then of course the second part, right? Okay, second part, you need to do the rainbow, the Emaths, right? So for the rainbow part, I simply just do its side. So like that, right? Okay, so you do the expansion. So there's only one x squared term, meaning it's the first one, right? So this is x squared. Then the other, they are all x cubed and x to the power of 4. So this one also don't need. So I simply just put 240 x squared. Then I'm done already. So of course, then after that, you just need to use the calculator. 240, they want the coefficient, right? So 240 minus 192. So it's equal to positive 48 x squared. So the coefficient of the x squared term in this trinomial expansion. Trinomial means three things. Because normally we are doing binomial. Binomial means 2. So this is 48. The coefficient of x squared is 48. So every time you are asked to expand three terms, high chance you need to use the previous part. So of course you use the previous part, you just let this thing to be in terms of this thing. Done already. Right?